how you can create talking video content without actually being in front of the camera. My avatar says whatever I want him to say, and that's how you can create it yourself. First of all, you need to design the set and the avatar. I just took a screenshot out of my video, but you don't necessarily need a picture of you. You can create a random character. If you took a photo, drag it into Discord and copy the link. Open up the Midjourney chat and type /imagine and then paste your photo link, and now add a lot of detailed description of what kind of character, avatar and set you are looking for. The hair color, eyes, the background, the foreground. Here are some prompt inspiration you can use and play around with. Don't worry, it took me a lot of tries to get a good result. Save the picture you like the most. Record the audio what you want the avatar to say.
Well, you can even create a digital voice. You don't have to use yours.
Go over to Studio DID, click Create Video, upload your preferred picture, choose your audio file, check the settings and generate the video. Et voila! And that's how easy you can create an avatar representing your brand on social media. What do you think of this change? Is this helpful and opens doors? Are you not sure about this rapid technology? I do this kind of videos to create a platform so we can actually discuss about this theme. So please let me know your opinion in the comments.